Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to reply to comment on Jodel. First of all, launch open Jodel application. You can see over here Jodel has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you would like to reply to a comment, first of all, what you have to do is tap on the post in which you want to reply to the comment. Now you can see over here that particular post will be opened. So in order to reply to comment, what you have to do is simply find the comment that you would like to reply to. Now swipe left in that comment. Now you can see over here you'll be able to reply. Tap on the message bar. Now what you have to do is enter your reply over here and tap on the send icon that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you just reply to that particular comment. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you reply to comment on Jodel. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.